In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Binance fees, providing clarity and tips along the way so you can save more while trading. If you're using the Binance platform, understanding how to effectively manage your fees can make a significant difference. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. We begin by opening up the Binance app on your device. Once you have the app open, log in with your credentials. It's important to make sure you have access to your account so you can follow along with the rest of the guide seamlessly. Next, after logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Doing this will bring up a menu, and where you'll want to go from here is the settings. You'll find the settings option located in the upper right corner of the screen. This is where we can access all the necessary adjustments to optimize your fee settings. Now that you've entered the settings, look for the section labeled using BNB. Tapping on this will take you to a new page, specifically designed to help you manage and reduce your trading fees. Once you've navigated to the using BNB section, there's an incredibly useful option that you'll want to enable. This is the option labeled use BNB to pay for fees. Activating this feature can save you up to 25% on your trading fees. By utilizing Binance Coin or BNB to pay your fees, you're able to significantly reduce the overall costs associated with your trades, making this a smart and efficient move in your trading strategy. Now, with that option enabled, it's worth considering another tip to minimize your fees further. Instead of opting for the instant buy or sell features within Binance, explore the option of using spot trading or the convert feature. Both of these alternatives often come with lower fees compared to the instant buy or sell methods. By choosing either spot or convert, you're making a choice that favors lower transaction costs, thus boosting your savings. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, logging in, adjusting your settings to use BNB for fees, and selecting appropriate trading methods, you can effectively reduce the fees associated with your Binance trades. Each of these small adjustments adds up, ensuring your trading experience is not only more cost effective, but also more strategic. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, these tips can help maximize your efficiency and profits on the platform. Thanks for watching and happy trading.